we doing today, Farhad?
Living.
Leaving where? Why are you so sad?
I'm leaving you guys forever.
Forever?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to Cars and Croissants?
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah, Cars and Croissants in Santana Row. Got the homie Farhad. My boys Calvin and Kevin are gonna pick us up right now. Darkhan, where's Darkhan?
He's out.
Yeah, Darkhan's gone. He went back to the motherland in Kazakhstan, so no Darkhan for another month. Very nice. See you guys in a bit. Oh yeah? What do you guys think of that one?
Get out.
Alright, we have arrived at Santana Row. Don't know what cars are here yet, but let's go check it out.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true. But the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya, dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Alright, we found Darkhan's baby right here. C63 Edition 1 Coupe. Ooh, look at that interior. Farhad, what are your thoughts?
You'll never get this.
You'll never get this. One day he's gonna get it. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Don't know how I feel about this yellow line or these yellow accents on the wheels, but this is quite a booty. Хорошая жопа?
Очень хорошо. Всадил бы, если бы женщина была.
Find out what the words pays off really mean. Breathing life to a dream my peers wouldn't believe, but I'm running out of breath or I forgot how to breathe. It's been colder than ever, nothing like I remember. Like spring is the winter and every day is like December. So bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when this weather is gonna get better. Cause I remember the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke, but I ain't joking.
Wait, what did Kevin say? He said he would take this NSX over a Huracan. Are you tripping, bro? What are you smoking?
More rare, dude.
Nah, I would rather take a Huracan. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Farhad, get out of my shot. Alright, we're back. How was the car show, guys?
Fantastic.
By fantastic, he means it was utter trash. We're gonna go get some Thai food now and mess around in San Jose. Yeah. What was your favorite car at the show, Kevin?
It's a VAR8.
Yeah, he's an Audi fanboy. What about you, Farkhad?
McLaren.
McLaren? What about you? We already know.
720,
Turbo
dude.
S. Turbo S.
720.
Yeah.
Turbo S second. Okay, thank you so much for.
Yeah, no problem, dude. Safe flight.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bye. Later. See you. Okay,
That's
brother.
See you soon. So, Scott, yeah. Oh man, it's like watching your child leave. He's leaving for college. Well, I'm such a proud moment as a father. Psych. The house is mine now. You know what that means, guys. What does that mean, guys?
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. I hope the ones who are getting bang, bang, they're not watching.